Merry Christmas, everyone. Shakin Stevens, such a super famous, brilliant song. Okay, it's great for beginners because it's mostly pentatonic, only two notes that aren't, and you can make it work with one chord. I'm going to use Solfege, the do re mi system. Why? Well, singers, it helps you sing in tune, it helps you improvise like Mariah and Whitney and Beyonce, and know if your notes fit with the chord. Pianists, organists, great because you know the degrees of the scale you're using, you know their relationships, and you can shift key very, very easily and think of new keys much more easily. So let's look at the solfege then. We'll start in C. Snow is falling, mi, re, do. Same as pretty woman walking down the street, mi, re, do. A different order. Imagine there's no heaven, do, 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 mi, re. Both of those are in the library. All around me, mi, re, do. Children playing, la, la, so, mi, having fun, fa, so, mi. The fa's not pentatonic. It's the season, re, mi, re, do. Love and understanding, mi, so, la, mi, re, do. Merry Christmas, la, la, so, mi. Everyone, re, ti, do, ti. There's the other non-pentatonic. What if Shakin Stevens was a cowboy who turned to the blues? Okay, so it's not the chord you use, it's what you do with it. We can use one chord, but what do we do with it? Maybe this. Here we are in the cowboy world. Off you go, Shakin.